No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you, little swine. Don't you bark at me. I don't want to play that. Thank you very much. What do you make of that, Charlie? Not impressed, are we? Not the sort of behaviour we put up with, is it? I see, you could lick your lips. She's a bit naughty, isn't she? With this squeaky toy. We don't do squeaky toys, do we? She's like a bloody... She is a puppy, though, isn't she? She doesn't stop. Yeah. 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 I don't want to play that game with you. She's very bossy. Isn't she, Charlie? Look. Look, she's pulling faces. She's pulling faces at you. Yeah, that's told you, hasn't it? That's told you. You can't have that toy, though.